Structure of the atmosphere. Basically, structure of the atmosphere now we will study, and there are different layers. Okay, basically there are five layers. First is troposphere, second is stratosphere, third is mesosphere, fourth is thermosphere, and fifth is exosphere. Okay, the atmosphere constitutes of different layers with varying density and temperature. So there are five layers, and five layers have different densities and different temperatures. Okay, density is the height, sorry density is the highest near the surface of the earth and decreases with increasing altitude. This means that where the surface of the earth is there the density is highest, and it all and density decreases with the increase in altitude. As we go upwards, okay, density decreases. Okay, the column of atmosphere is divided into five different layers depending upon temperature conditions. ठीक है. So these division are basically depending upon the temperature, difference in temperatures in different layers. Okay, they are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. So these are five layers of atmosphere which comprises the structure of atmosphere. Okay, now we'll study the troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. So now we are going to study about troposphere, which is the lowest layer lowermost layer of the atmosphere. Its average height is 13 km and extends roughly to a height of 18 km near the poles and about 18 km at the equator. So its average height is 13 km from the surface of the earth, okay, and extends roughly to a height of 8 km near the poles and 18 km at the equator. Okay, thickness of the troposphere is greatest at the equator because heat is transported to great heights by strong convectional currents. Okay, so the thickness means मोटाई. ठीक है, the troposphere is greatest. इक्वेटर पे सबसे ज़्यादा मोटाई है इसकी. ठीक है, ठीक है. हाइट बिकॉज क्यों है सबसे ज़्यादा थिकनेस वहाँ पर, क्योंकि हीट इज ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू ग्रेट हाइट्स बाय द स्ट्रॉन्ग कन्वेक्शनल करंट्स. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, दिस लेयर कंटेन्स डस्ट पार्टिकल्स एंड वाटर वेपर. और जो ट्रोपोस्फेयर के अंदर डस्ट पार्टिकल्स भी होते हैं और वाटर वेपर भी होते हैं. ऑल चेंजेस इन क्लाइमेट एंड वेदर टेक प्लेस इन दिस लेयर. So the changes that will take place on the daily basis in climate and weather take place in this layer. This layer means troposphere. Okay, the temperature in this layer decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 160 meter of height. So as we go higher and higher, okay, as we go 165 degree meter, 1 degree Celsius decreases, and then we go 165 meter again, then 1 degree Celsius decreases. So basically this is the how the procedure goes on. This is the most important layer for biological activity. So for biological activity, troposphere is the most important layer which supports all the ecological processes of plants and animals. Okay, the zone separating the troposphere from stratosphere is known as tropopause. Okay, now the second layer is now the second layer now the second layer after troposphere is stratosphere, and the place where both are divided, there is a gap between stratosphere and troposphere that is maintained by a zone known as tropopause. ठीक है. The air temperature at the tropopause is about -80 degrees Celsius. So the temperature there is -80 degrees Celsius over the at the equator, and about -45 degree over the poles. So at equator it is -80 degree, and at poles it is -45 degrees Celsius. The temperature is nearly constant, and hence it is called as tropopause. This zone is called as tropopause, and you know both the temperatures of it. At equator it is -80 degrees Celsius, and at poles it is -45 degrees Celsius. ठीक है. This is a zone that separates tropopause troposphere and stratosphere. Okay, so basically I can explain you by this example that this is a troposphere and this is a stratosphere. So this zone, the difference in between both of them is a zone which is named as tropopause. Okay, the stratosphere is found above the tropopause and extends up to a height of 50 kilometers. So stratosphere is a second layer of the atmosphere and it